Okay, Bruchim Aboyim, welcome everyone. As this will be released, it will be Friday, and on Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague. We are in the book of Exodus, chapter 10, verse 19, in Parshas Bo, and it says, "V'yahafoch Hashem ruach yom chazak ma'od v'isa es harbeh v'yizkaehu yomma suf loy nish'ar arbeh echad b'choil gvul Mitzrayim." And the Lord turned around a western wind, a wind from the sea that was very strong, and picked up the locusts and sent them into the Red Sea, or the Reed Sea, and there was not even one locust left in all of the land of Egypt. Rashi says, can't be that long. Af hamluchim lonish arba echad, there did not remain even one locust. Af hamluchim shemolchu mehem. Even if they took the locusts to eat them, and they salted them and preserved them, maybe even preserved them from before the plague, they did not remain. That God took the wind and they removed even the preserved locusts that the Egyptians wanted to have as food at that time, that if they were preserved in salt. So says the Heilige Zayda, the Maharal Prague, because the question is, why does it say that there was not even one locust left? It just should have said there should not have been any locusts left. Why does it have to say not even one? But even when we say one, meaning they were special locusts that were set aside. The word miyuchad is related to the word echad, meaning that they're special, means that they're set aside in a unique manner. Shemolchu mehem, so meaning even the ones that they set aside and preserved, salted them, holachlo. Even these were removed from Egypt. So, thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. Have a good Shabbos, everybody. I'm sorry I'm very tired from my trip. But I'm back, and thank you for watching. God bless.
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Maharal.